Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a blessed day. Today we make a dish is called the Tiger Tofu. Chinese name called虎皮豆腐. The main ingredient we need a piece of tofu. It doesn't matter brand. We just need the firm tofu and a piece of tofu and 2 scallion and 4 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger and some handful of small piece of sweet pepper. You can, if you like spicy, you can use the spicy pepper or use the bell pepper or any pepper is okay. Just a small amount of pepper. Those are main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion or green onion. I already washed and peeled the dead leaves. We cut the root off. Okay, we cut this. We try to cut it small, okay, like this. If you cut too small, you can chop it. It's all up to you. This is garlic we get. Okay, cut the garlic. So garlic, we peel the skin and already wash it. What do? We just put it here. Usually we smash it, but I will. So I just put it. Just smash it like this. Then we just cut it. Try to cut as small as possible. If you can't cut small, you can chop it. So this is garlic we get. Hope you cut the ginger. This ginger, we don't need a lot. We just need 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. If you like it's your large ginger, you can cut it and add more. It's all up to you. So okay, we'll just slice it. The ginger we get. We put the garlic, scallion, and the ginger in one bowl. Okay, we cut the pepper. This pepper we cut like this. We first cut it from the middle, and we get the seeds. Get seeds and the canal. This part of pick it off. We try to get those off. Okay, after that we just cut it like this. Like this, like this. So the front will be like this, like this. This is the pepper we get. Okay, cut the tofu. This tofu cut it open. And we will go to sink to drain the water. Just 2 seconds. Go to drain the water. And put tofu here. You can use the tap water to rinse the tofu. After rinsing, we use a paper towel to dry the tofu. You want some liquid further dry it. Okay, we cut it. This tofu cut like this. So it will be this white. We cut it first like this. Okay, we cut it like this, and we cut it like this. So the final tofu will be like this big, like this. Pan on the stove, medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 cups of vegetable oil to it. And rinse the pot. Just wait until the oil is hot. We will fry the tofu. We can add a piece of tofu into it to see if the oil is ready. Just keep a distance because be careful, don't burn by the oil. Okay. The oil seems ready, then we will fry the tofu. Just slowly need to fry it until the bottom side become hard, so then you turn over to fry the other side. Just fry both sides and make the outside become crispy, so we just slowly fry it. You can just like this to mold the tofu. If the tofu is stick the bottom, and be gentle to the tofu, let it keep frying. Once the bottom fried hard, they will easy to move it. So if it's hard to move it, just leave it there. So be gentle to the tofu. We don't want to break the tofu. Okay. When one side become golden brown, we turn to the other side to fry the other side. Just do this and make the both sides golden brown and outside crispy. So we should fry the outside. Be very gentle. And fry the outside. Now you can see the both sides become the golden brown and crispy. You hear it? Both sides become golden brown and crispy. We get it out to drain the oil. Okay, we get it out and go drain the oil. And then we will fry more. When the last part is the tofu become both sides are round and become golden brown and crispy, then turn off the stove. Just be very careful. You will drain the oil. Get the tofu, drain the oil. Okay. Drain the tofu, let it cool down, and we will wash the pot. And go to the next step instead. Turn on the stove, medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. This is the fried tofu oil. Yeah, I just use the oil fry once, and then I drain those oil. I use to cook the veggie or meat. I want to just dump it. So just use the fry one time. When the oil is hot, we add the ginger, garlic, and the green onion scallion into it. Just fry. Fry it until it releases good smell. When the garlic and the ginger and scallion release good smell, we added the fried tofu into it. And fry. And add the green pepper into it. Okay, fry it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. Not too much. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Not too much. This cold tap water. We add 1 cup of cold tap water to it. Okay, we'll turn the fire right now to the high fire. This is vinegar. We add half teaspoon vinegar. Don't add too much. This is oyster sauce. We add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce to it. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Now you can see it's boiling in the pot, and right now we turn the high fire to the low medium fire. Let it slowly to cook. Cover the lid. Let it slowly cook for a few 2 minutes. Whereas the tofu is cooking, we make a liquid starch. And this is the potato starch. We get 2 teaspoons of potato starch to a bowl. 2 teaspoons potato starch. And add a quarter cup of cold tap water to it. Okay, we mix it. Make a liquid starch for later use. After 2 minutes, we open the lid. We check the pepper. We try the pepper. The pepper is fully cooked and the flavor is good. We turn the fire to the high fire. Now we have add our liquid starch to it. Don't add all at once, just add some. And stir it. Then add more. We stir it. Just stir it until the sauce seek up. Right now you see the sauce slowly seek up. Okay. And sauce seek up. We turn off the stove. So this dish is done. So the Tiger Tofu, and Chinese name called Hupi Tofu, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.